See, it doesn't matter how much you scored in your 8th, 9th, 10th, 11th, but trust me, in this 12th standard, you will easily score more than 90%. You have to just believe and the magic will happen. And I myself scored 94% in the board, so I will easily guide you how to make it. So let's see which are the 5 things. So coming to the first one, control your environment. You should control which are the people should enter your life and go out. I've seen most of the people who wasted their time with their friends. And if you're a kind of person who can't say no to the people and always says yes to them, then trust me, you're literally wasting so much of time. Even I was like that before. And trust me, after 12th, hardly 1 or 2 friends will be left with you who are still in touch. Because after 12th, everyone will go out to their new colleges. Everyone will make new friends. And this is the fact. So don't waste much of your time with friends and prioritize when to go and when to say yes and when to no. And everyone is distracted nowadays. If you take a control on distraction, you're almost halfway there. So which are the peak distractions according to me is Instagram, your mobile. So just uninstall your Instagram or any other distracting apps, like some people play games, PUBG and all. Not PUBG, BGMI. And if you given your 100% in these months, the next year you might be watching your reels on iPhone or maybe the Samsung Ultra. So are you getting my point? These months are the very important for you to grind and hustle. And before moving ahead, if you are very serious about the clearing KCET exams, then I have good news for you. Physics Wallah has bought online and both offline coaching centers, which is nothing but PW Prerna, which is present in your cities. Expert faculties, regular tests, offline doubts, study materials, smart tools like NCERT Pitara. And most of the students face this, like there are some distraction in home, never ending backlogs, and no track of any progress. So that's why Physics Wallah has bought this batch Prime. So this is the best combination and the blend of offline and both online. Everyone studies, but you have the good guidance, then it will be a game changer. And not just that, you'll also get facilities like DPPs, emotional support of the teachers, personal doubt solving, exam guidance from top experts, and much more. So this batch Prime is for 12 students. So wait, just visit PW Pathshala or you can contact to this number, and I will also give the details and also in the comment section, so you can check that out. So coming back, number 2, know your syllabus and the resources you are learning from. In the last video, I have shared the most important topics for both KCET and boards, and you can watch that. And in market there are many publications, books out there. They have n number of informations, like all the words information, knowledge, but you don't need it. You just need 12 syllabus and you just want to score 100. So don't just go with the fancy publication, just read what is there, that's enough. And number 3, this is the most important thing which will decide how much you will score. That is revision. Revision is the very important key. It's like Brahmastra you have, it's a weapon. You can kill the syllabus or you can just kill yourself. So please do revision. And try to do revision using, writing the things down. Because when you just read the books, when you just read the syllabus, you will remember only 40%. But when you write it down, your brain will remember almost 80% of the information. And you can also do mnemonics and flashcards if it is very difficult to understand. Number 4, be super positive. And not just positive, super positive. See, society will start comparing. Like Sharma ji ka beta, he scored this much. One relative girl scored this much. Your own brother or sister scored this much in 12th. How much you gonna do? So what you should do? Just listen from 1 year and just throw it off from another year. Don't get pressurized. And you have to start telling to yourself in your mind that you will score 90, 95, 100 every day, every time. You woke up, you have to say. And before sleeping, you have to remember, I want to crack, I want to score 100, I want to score 95%. So it always has to be in your mind. If you do this subconsciously, your mind starts thinking about it. It will start making plans. So this will even change the way you think. For example, other people are thinking what's going on Big Boss, what's going on YouTube, what's a recent trend in Instagram. But you will be thinking, okay, maths chapter, this much is remaining, this much I have to revise for the chemistry. And that's what they say, law of attraction, guys. And I have done this in my life all of the time, like in 12th, even while making content creation, even getting this job. I've tried multiple things and I got the result in all the areas. And people call me lucky, but actually it's a game of your mindset. Number 5, improve your handwriting. See, this was my mistake and my handwriting is not that good, but I'm recommending you to improve it, because when they were correcting, if they see very clean and neat handwriting, they will definitely gonna appreciate it. Because they were seeing many papers and most of them, like they made out scratches, the handwriting might not good. But if your handwriting is good and it's also clean, like you haven't made much scratches and all, so that will make your paper stand out. So these are the 5 points, and it might take you 10 days, 20 days, 1 month, 3 months, or more than that to apply this and make it a habit for you. But don't give up. Just stay consistent and keep doing it. And always believe that this 12th exam is so simple. It's the easiest exam in your life and you can easily score 95%. It's all here. Alright. So if the video was helpful, then do subscribe and also share with your friends. And I will see you in the next video. Bye.